welcome back to Mr. Phil 360. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove your hiccups. So hiccups, there are many ways that people say how to remove them, like breathing heavily or drinking water or scaring someone. There's so many ways, but this way will definitely work. So all you're going to need is vinegar and a cup. Obviously you may not like vinegar, but this will definitely remove your hiccups. So what you need to do, you need to get your vinegar and pour some into a cup. So then you pour some in. So this much, maybe a little bit more. So about this much is all you need. So all you need to do is just drink it down. Like that. Sorry. Then maybe after a few seconds, about 10-15 seconds, it should be removed. Yeah, so that's how you remove your hiccups. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care.